Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to censor or hide inappropriate words on YouTube using the YouTube Studio app. This feature is very useful if you want your captions to look cleaner and more professional for your viewers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the App Store. In the search bar, type YouTube Studio and make sure you download it or update it to the latest version, so you can access all the newest features. Once that's done, simply open the YouTube Studio app. Then go to your profile icon in the top right corner, tap on Settings, and here you will see the option called Hide Inappropriate Words. You can simply toggle this option on, and after that, your auto captions will automatically hide inappropriate words in your videos. This helps keep your captions clean and more suitable for all viewers. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.